Win the ultimate HVACR toolkit. Submit your entry in August 2024 to win a JobLink System Charge and Air Kit and a JobLink Pro subscription for 1 year. That's right. JobLink wireless tools and full access to the Pro app benefits can be yours for the win. Get rapid rail temperature precision with pipe clamp probes. Take air measurements exactly where you need them with the Psychrometer probe's flexible wands. And get accurate system pressure right at the service ports with pressure probes. With the JobLink App Pro subscription, easily manage customer files by saving notes, system photos, and screenshots for every job. Need help? Dial a friend and share JobLink screens with Live Look-In to help diagnose problems remotely and reduce callbacks. Generate an inspection checklist to verify the job is complete and highlight maintenance and sales opportunities. Service calls just got quicker and more professional. Follow @FieldPiece Products on social media to enter to win today.